How to write arrows in Microsoft Word from your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Words. Here in Word, go to plus sign on the upper right side on your screen and create blank document. Here you can see the arrow down button on the lower right side. Tap this and go to Home. And go to Insert. In Insert, below, go to Equation. Now here to type arrow. Tap the equation and type backslash, then right arrow, then space to create right arrow. Another, go to again in equation and type backslash left arrow, then space to create left arrow. Another one is go to again to equation and type backslash up arrow, then space, and you can type up arrow. Another one is type again the backslash down arrow, space. Then you can see here the different type of arrow, the right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, and down arrow.